Hello, this is Miss Brown, and here we are with our third set and final set of worms, the segmented worms. I think this is the one you'll remember the most about because this will be the one that we will be dissecting if you have me in person. So the phylum is Annelida, Anna meaning segmented. Now, the distinctive trait, of course, segmented body, so we have much more specialization in this group of worms. Milestone, segmentation. Body layers, ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. The symmetry of the worm is bilateral. And here we have a big step. We went to coelomate. We have a true cavity with a lining, and it allows for much more complex internal structure than we've seen before in the worms. Cephalization is present. There is a definite head region, and there's a brain and sense organs. The nervous system has a brain. It has a ventral nerve cord where you have a dorsal down your back. Theirs is down their belly. And it has nerves. Now there's two sets of muscles. There's longitudinal. They go up and down the body. And there's circular that surround the body. And alternately they contract and relax the two sets to move. Has a mouth that takes in food and anus to remove waste. So we've got the one-way tube gut. And several organs, and you have to write small: mouth, pharynx, esophagus, crop, gizzard, intestine, and anus. It might help you to write on the back if you can't write that small. All right, respiration. We still have diffusion through the moist skin cover. Remember, these are night crawlers, and they stay where it's moist. They don't get dried out and make it too well. All right, circulation. It has a well-developed system. You're going to see 5 pairs of these aortic arches, sometimes called hearts, but they're not exactly a heart like you and I have. Dorsal and ventral blood vessels, and it has a closed circulatory system like humans, meaning all the blood stays inside a vessel. Reproduction, it can regenerate, but not as well as the other worms. And they are hermaphrodites, but they'll only produce sperm or egg at one time. And they can cross-fertilize. And the body covering, it has a cuticle to help it prevent water loss so they don't dry out. But it's not perfect, as you know, if you've ever seen some on a rainy day that crawl up on the driveway and then get stuck and dry out on the concrete. Free living, most of them are free living like the earthworm. And there is one parasite, the leech. It's an ectoparasite, lives on the outside of the body. Thank you.